Hello everyone and welcome to Net Crypto, where you get important information and news about all coins of interest. And today we've got a requested video, Crypto Runner, right? We're going to be taking a quick look into this project. It has just been recently launched. I think it's about 24 hours right now. I think it is an interesting concept, so we're going to be diving in, see what we can see inside the project, projections in terms of the price, what can we expect about the future of this project, and is it scam, is it legit, right? Obviously that's one of the things we do with every project that we check on Net Crypto. So just ensure that you subscribe to the channel if you appreciate reviews such as these, right? So let's dive in. So if we go and check on CoinMarketCap, we do see here that this project was launched on the 11th, right? It was launched about 24 hours ago. So if we go and check the website always tells us a lot in terms of what we can expect from the project. So we do see the game is called, the project rather is called Crypto Runner, based on a game, obviously. Crypto Runner, a run-to-earn NFT gaming built on BSC that rewards players in BNB. So when you are playing this game, run to earn, a run in themed NFT gaming, easy to play and earn, right? So that's their model. It's a play to earn game. When you run, you earn. So it's quite interesting. So we do see here NFT marketplace, a Crypto Runner NFT marketplace, and all that, staking, farming, treasure hunt, daily race. So this is basically, we've seen these games such as Temple Run and all that, except now they are putting a spin into crypto that you can earn, play to earn, right? So there is this little video that they did do here, right, which I think I'm going to be talking about. Let's just open it up here and see what this is all about, right? Let's just put in, okay, so that's the little video there. Let's just go and play it right here, off here, and see. So there we go. So apparently you do see that this video was uploaded on the 15th of October 2021, right? So that's basically the same concept of like Temple Run, if you're familiar with those type of games, right? So except that in terms of this Crypto Runner, it's you are going to be collecting, it's a play to earn game in crypto, right? So I think there's going to be some interest in terms of this. So let's just jump into their white paper and see what they are saying. They say, dear esteemed players and investors, welcome to Crypto Runner, the first metaverse run to earn game on BSC, where you can enjoy real racing experience and earn money simultaneously. Our team have over 5 years of experience, right, in blockchain development, with a diverse skill set in gaming industry and so on, right? So one of the major questions that we have to answer right off the bat is should you buy this project, right? One of the things that I always say on this channel, you never ever invest in a project after it is launched, right? Because you don't know what the base price of that project is, of that coin is. So you do see here, it launched on here, the price went parabolic, it went way high, and then now it came like crashing right down. And you do see, so almost everyone, almost like 97% of everyone who bought into this project right now is sitting in the red, right? They are holding a bunch of coins that they will not be able to do anything about, maybe for a while. So I would say, when a project is just launched, if you're interested in this type of project, right, you know, like you enjoy maybe playing this type of games, and this is a game that can just become really famous, right? Because games such as these, they go viral sometimes, right? But I'm not saying you should buy it. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not affiliated with this project, right? It was just a project that one of my subscribers requested that I just do a review. So one of the golden rules, rule of thumb, never ever invest in a project that is just launched. Wait for at least 3 to 4 weeks, right, to just see that base price, because the coin is going to come crashing right down. But within the next 2-3 weeks, you're going to be able to see what is the base price of this coin, and then you'll be able to open up a position in a price that you're comfortable in, than just rushing to invest when the game is launched, when the project has been launched, right? Because you'll be holding a bag of coins for a very long time. So we do see here the trading volume in the last 24 hours, 366,000, right? At the top of the market here, it was about double that, about 645,000 was traded, right? Market sentiment, 83% voting good, right? But we can expect the negative sentiment to continue, especially if the price continues going down. That is to be expected. Like every project that launches, the price shoots right up, right? So one of the things we need to also take a look at is the roadmap. right? So we do see here the roadmap is phase one. The thing is, they are not dates in terms of are they talking about 2021, 2022? So if we just go and check the roadmap on here on their white paper, we can assume that phase one was Q4 of 2021 and phase two is Q1 of 2022. So by the end of March, we can expect the two D game release, which is what we just saw just here, right? We can expect the 2D game release, right? And then CoinGecko, CoinMarket listing. Obviously, these things have already occurred. Staking mechanism, 2D game release, public. Because I tried to look for to look for this game in Play Store. I cannot find it, so I did try to click play. Nothing obviously happens here, right? So that's one of the things, and of course, analyzing this actual smart contract, we do see the text is not bad. 9% on buy, 11% sell. Let's just see if there is any tokenomics here, so that we can just correlate that. Where are the tokenomics? So okay, so I do not see that. Let's just see in the white paper if we can find in terms of the okay. Usually it should be around here on token allocation. Okay, so we do not see where are the tokenomics, right, in terms of the taxes, because that's one a very important metric that we always need to check in terms of everything. Okay, so there's the tokenomics, right? Use cases and specification, right? So we are not seeing in terms of the tokenomics, it's something that we're not actually okay. There we go. So that's how does it work? 7% takes on buy, 10% on sell, right? That's correlating with what we see, right? Of course, there's going to be just minor differences in percentages right here, right? So hold analysis, liquidity analysis, all that is checking out, right? So in terms of this project, should you invest right now? Like I say, if you're interested in this project, any project that is coming out, wait at least between 3 to 4 weeks, because in that time frame you're going to be able to see if there's any scams, pumping dumps and all sorts of weird things that is happening in the market at the moment. But to me, it doesn't really look like it's a scammy project. But of course, it was going to be nice if they'd actually put real people behind the team, right? We need to always see real people. So this is also one thing that is going to help. If you wait to invest into this project, you're going to be waiting to see if there are going to be AMAs, right? I haven't actually gone and searched to see if there are actual AMAs that have been done by these guys. So if you're interested, I can do a deeper look into this project, but it's going to depend on how many people are interested in this video. So just ensure that you subscribe. If I do see a large interest into this project, I'm definitely going to be digging up more information, right, so that you can be informed in terms of everything that is happening with the crypto runner, because games such as this, projects such as this have got a potential to go viral, right? You never know. You saw things like Temple Run and all these sort of games, these running games, right? They can become quite viral. So this is my assessment of this project. And if you actually check in terms of the roadmap, you see here that Android has been forecasted on phase 4. So I would assume that phase 4, that's so Q1, Q2, Q3. By the end of Q3, that's when you're going to see an Android version, right? And then we also have a 3D soft launch. Static audit is coming in Q2 2022, I'm assuming, because there's no years here onto this white paper, right? So for these games, like these days, one thing that I can just say, I think as time goes on and the crypto market is developing, projects are going to need to come up with a game right off the bat. When you launch your project, your game is ready, right? At least a game that people can start to play, connect, and start to earn immediately, right? Those are the projects that are going to win. But at the moment, I think they'll be able to get some investors coming in and investing into the project. But as we go on, people are going to demand, if you're going to say there's a play to earn game, there have to be a mock-up right from project launch, which people can connect and start to play to earn, and then you can show how are you going to develop that game further into the future. I think that is something that is going to be happening within the crypto space, because nowadays we do see a lot of people promising a whole lot of stuff in terms of games, and then nothing really happens right into the future. But I think I don't see this game as this project as being a scammy project, right? But obviously with every project you have to wait that 3 to 4 weeks to establish that best price, right? Never FOMO in. Even if the price go 1000%, doesn't matter. You have to stick to your investment strategy. Like I'm not telling you this is what you should do. Like I'm just letting you know that's what personally I would do, right? Because in terms of, you need to stick to investment strategy, entry strategy, which is the price point you're comfortable with, right? And also just waiting ensures that you are able to see if there's any scams, and the project team can review themselves in terms of AMAs and all that. So if after 3 or 4 weeks there are no AMAs, they're done, and so you just have to face the fact that the team does not want to be doxed, which is absolutely their decision, right? But it also informs your investing decision as well, right? So this is my review of this project, right? So just let me know, what do you think about this project down there in the comment section. If you've watched all the way until now, just ensure that you subscribe to the channel, right? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.